by the time you have a design, you could get something up within a couple hours. I kind of like this idea in a kind of a micro niche way. So if I'm kind of thinking about it now, what I would do is kind of reverse engineer it a little bit. I'd probably go onto Facebook, and you mentioned that also. I'd go onto Facebook and see what the big groups are. So let's take maybe fishing, maybe cat lovers, things like that. And then what I'll do is I'd ensure there's enough demands basically within that niche. So big groups. And then I'd probably create, let's say, designs of funny cats or something like that, or fishing, really cool fishing designs, upload them t-shirts. And then I'd probably contact the admin of that actual group and see if I can do some type of a JV with them where, they'd actually promote it in their group. But also things like Reddit has a lot of groups. I remember looking at Reddit and seeing that you can actually advertise on Reddit, and it's actually really, really cheap to advertise on there. But there's a dog group for like 3 million people, and you can advertise right on a dog group page, literally right in between all the comments for like 30 or 40 cents. So that could be perfect for that, to actually get it there. So I think, as we're talking and you're mentioning, there's actually a lot of ideas that can be done to help, to help basically get up and running really quickly, not private label business, but something to, do instantaneously while you're getting the private label business up. Coming up with a lot of ideas here, but I think it could be a great idea to for us to maybe share a little bit more eventually with the group, and maybe maybe do something together, everyone just kind of teach and learn. I think could be a good idea. And one thing, I guess, an idea that comes out of this is you can actually incorporate this in your private label business. So let's say, for example, if you have a private label product and you have your own website, and let's say you're selling dog products, for example, what you can do is you can just partner with Gelato. You can upload some dog designs and then put that on your website, and that could be an upsell. So if you're selling products on your physical products on your website, then the actual print on demand can be an upsell. So you can actually complement each other like that.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.